Hi, it's Jane Slacksmith here and welcome to Investors Choice Mortgages. Now, as you've probably seen on our services page, we really are committed to helping you with what you need. We don't want you paying for things that you don't need, but we want to give you enough help and assistance so that you've got everything that you need to find the right property at the right price so that you can reach your goals. Now, you might be looking for a home, you might be looking for an investment property. Whatever it is, we have a service package that can assist you. Now, obviously, we get a lot of inquiries and we want to put our time and effort into the people who are serious about getting a property purchase and getting the right loan and, obviously using our intellectual property and our experience of dealing with thousands of people and being an award-winning mortgage broking firm. So, we do have a number of service packages. First of all, we have the Silver package. Now, the Silver package is really what you would expect to get from a normal mortgage broker. However, we do charge an engagement fee of $495 and at settlement you get that back. Now we're going to go and spend hours in assessing your needs against your fact finder and against your goals and looking at a number of lenders that are going to suit your needs and come back to you with a recommendation. Now that recommendation is going to look at your current requirements. So for instance, if you say you've got $100,000 and you want to buy a $400,000 property and you need to learn to do that, then obviously we'll come back with 2 or 3 lenders that are going to suit those needs and reasons why they're going to suit your needs. Now, they will be geared specifically for your situation. So everyone has a different way that they're paid. Not everyone is PAYG. Some people have casual work, second jobs, bonuses, commissions. Maybe they have their some salary sacrificing. Maybe some people are self-employed, contractor, whatever. So we would look at your specific circumstances. Then we'll look at what you're trying to buy and those specific information. So some lenders will lend in mining towns, other lenders won't. Some lenders will lend against 1-bedroom units. Some lenders won't lend for properties under 50 square metres. So we'll look at your situation, what you're planning on buying and what your current needs are. And basically the Silver package, on settlement you get that $495 back. So then there's the Gold package. Now the Gold package offers a lot more. The Gold package is once again a $495 fee. You don't get that back. But what you do get is you get an advanced assessment. So let's say you were saying that you had $100,000 and you wanted to buy a $400,000 property and you're looking to, in the next 5 years, grow your portfolio and buy 2 or 3 more properties. Now we do an advanced lending assessment in that respect and we look at, for instance, making recommendations on potentially not putting in a 20% deposit, maybe using a 10% deposit. So you've got funds to be able to buy the 2 properties now or within the next 2 to 3 years rather than having to go and save another 10 or 20% deposit. So we looked at that advanced lending assessment. We'd also look at your next purchase and give you some recommendations on what you could afford to do that. We'd make some assumptions about interest rates and your employment income, obviously, but we'll give you an indication whether it's possible or not for you to make that second purchase in that time frame that you're after. Now there's a lot of bonuses that we added in as well. So we give you access to 5 Residex reports. Now those Residex reports are usually $65 each. Those Residex reports allow you, when the real estate agent says this property is worth $400,000, to have a list of comparable properties of recent sales in the area and an estimate of what your property's worth. So you're actually in the position of power because we really want you to have a successful purchase so that you can grow your wealth and realise the goals that you've set. The other thing that we do is offer a executive course. So I've got a 7-module course for first home buyers and investors. They're a 100-page PDF or you can read it online, Kindle or iPad, and a 25-page workbook. So you come out at the end with a 1-page blueprint of what you can afford, what your budget is, what your buying criteria is, exactly the research tools that you need to find that property with location information, understanding demographics, for instance, rental appeal, or for your home, how you can choose one suburb over the other so you can get to a better capital growth position. So in 10 years' time you might have an extra $100,000 of equity in the property that can get you a bigger home, a car, the holiday, or your daughter's wedding. So for instance, I think it's really important. We really want to give you additional information to help you purchase the right property, and that's what that Gold package does. Now, the diamond package, not for everyone, and usually just for investors or people who are doing one or more than one loan per year. For $995, you get access to unlimited loans for that 1 year period. You also get access to many more Residex reports. There's 6 webinars that I do with property experts and interviews. You get access to a few extra bonuses as well. And we give you an annual report folder for your property. And you get access to my full 5 courses. Now, each one of those 5 courses has all the information that you need to actually go through and build your portfolio. So in the gold package, you get the 7 modules. In the diamond package, there's a full 30 modules. So at the end, you could end up with a 500-page manual and 5 lots of 25-page workbooks. Exercises, resources that take you through the entire process of what you need. So over $4,000 worth of added bonuses there, plus the advanced lending assessment that was not going to just assist you with this current loan, but with future loans as well. So that's essentially how Investors Choice works. We'll send you a fact finder, or our personal concierge will ring you and fill in the fact finder with you to make it easier for you. You return that with your supporting documents, which is usually just your pay slips and proof of your savings over a 3 or 6 month period, where the money's going to come from that you're buying the property. If you're refinancing, 6 months worth of refinance statements. Obviously your ID as well, so we can prove who you are. We also encourage you to take up the opportunity of getting your credit check done. We can facilitate that for you. It's just that we've seen time and time again that banks have come back with inquiry on an issue that you may not even be aware of. So it just gives us all the ammunition and information so that we can go to the bank and make sure that we're getting the right loan for you, so that you are buying the opportunity to buy the right property at the right price. So we want to give you all that we can to make this process easy for you. Now, you may need the silver package, you may need the gold, you may need the diamond. It's up to you. We just want to be able to give you the opportunity to know that we have extra resources and ability to assist you, and you get the benefit of that. Time and time again, I've been asked by many people if they can have more. That's all we're doing, giving you more. It's up to you, and we're going to give you the same quality of service and information regardless of what service package that you come back with. So we really look forward to working with you at Investors Choice Mortgages, and we're committed to your success and making you have the ability to assess the right loan for the right property at the right price, and we'll give you all the assistance and services that you need to do that.